between the pilot versus pilot and the team deathmatch mode.
What about the war?
The war.
The war where we're fighting Titans and players and II.
Yeah, that's the team deathmatch one.
Well, hello
It's called
everyone,
something else, but I just call it team deathmatch.
Today we'll be playing with Andrew, so say hello.
What's that?
Or, as you know it, Bolts of Money. And you still gotta change it into Bolts of Money.
Oh yeah.
And my channel art.
Yes! It's pilot versus pilot! And it's Angel City, which I love! Yes.
And I farted.
Yes. Nice.
I know, right? I farted. And it stank up the whole room.
Alright, let me get my Spitfire. Most OP gun in the game. Get it. I just need to get a better scope with the Spitfire, and I'm good.
The frontier is worth every part of this fight.
Yeah!
How do I change how do I change my gun?
You know, you hit options and... Got a both kill! Fuck. Stupid people in the car, I hate the car so much.
Me, can't even find anybody. Oh my god, as soon as I find someone, I get demolished. What the hell, bro? Dude, this game is racist.
Shit! I was on a kill room streak! It's always people with the car. Yeah. Damn it! How did that guy even kill me? Yeah, this is what I did. I legit had 11 kills. He's more addicted to this game than me. No!
I only have 2 kills.
They're barely ahead of us. We can do this.
I thought I was about to lose my kill. I was gonna be mad.
Oh my goodness. I can't even find anybody. When I do find somebody, they kill me.
No! He should have died! Damn, son.
Finally, got a kill.
Hey, I got pilot assist, right? You got a kill, so. I must have killed the dude. Shit! I was stuck in grapple hook mode. Oh my god, how this guy killed me was such bullshit. Spawn. I gotta kill that fucker. Yeah, I'm trying to get wrecked, bot.
I didn't even get a chance, bro.
Hang on, I'm switching guns.
What the
Still
fuck?
catch up. Don't lose hope.
Oh my god, no party. I was in a fight and then this guy had to come out of... Ah, shit. It was him again! I hate the close place dude a lot. This guy gets wrecked. Did this guy kill me with a no-scope? No, that's a cold quick scope. Oh, that's fake. Do this. Yeah, kill me.
Probably this. Oh my god, I'm even.
Yeah, just got shot by another person in the building. That's nice. I was doing well, Leo. Yeah, fuck you, dude. Person that's false on the team is the most annoying person ever. Yeah, no.
Oh my god, can I finally be able to just get a kill?
It's that guy again!
Finally,
You're
got a
not
kill.
good! You're not good, dude! You got your first place and have 35 kills does not mean you're good.
No to him, I'm better than you.
How did I not kill him?
The right pilot, that's for can't win them all. We'll get them next time.
Oh my god.
I just got died by a fucking nade. Oh shit, we lost.
Yeah, we got asses whooped. Finally. Oh fuck! No! Oh! I died by a grenade!
No, he's hacking.
Oh, that was so stupid. I wonder if stim is better, because seriously, everyone's having to be better with that. Oh, come on, dude. You're the last one remaining. Go. Escape. Since, apparently, it's gonna be... Wait, the dude that was on the team left? Yeah. Okay.
Dang, you're not even on the leaderboard.
I know. Maybe because he got kicked for cheating.
He did?
I'm guessing. Ugh. That was...
Yeah, level 8.
Can I finally get a scope for this gun? Finally!
Please be war. Please be war. Please be war.
I have it on mix. I have it on mix, so.
As I was saying, please be war. Please be war. Please be war. Dude, people rage at Fall Guy.
Do people rage on Fall Guy? I guess. I don't know.
There's a video
I
of
think
the
it's
guy
hilarious.
raging. Exactly.
Huh?
Yes, same. I don't know why, but the game makes it so it's not, you know, rage.
It's because it looks like Candyland. So that's
The frontier is worth every part of this fight.
I bet. Let's do this! Hey, this is the most common map, finally.
Is it fighting? Is it pilot versus
Take
pilot or
out the
war?
enemy pilots.
Pilot versus pilot.
Nice. That's not real. That's not real, bro.
Why is the scopes on this look off?
Okay, it's not real, okay? Get out of my face. I don't want to see it.
What happened to your lock?
Okay, no, it's not real. So. No, it's not.
Oh my god!
You're getting an ass whip. What the hell? He
Ah,
literally
come
all
on.
of his shots. I'm not even gonna get a chance to live. No, what the hell? He was so far away. How the hell did he kill me?
He killed you.
I don't even get a chance, bro.
Are you taking the high ground? Because that's the most important thing, is you need to try to get the high ground.
Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I'm doing. Of course I was gonna say. Okay.
You're not in the high ground right now.
I know I'm not.
Pulling away.
Oh,
Turn it
shit.
around.
I died. Okay. Map pack for everyone. Oh, he wasn't hidden. Man, I'm sucking. Oh my god, just pick.
Wow. Shouldn't come behind. You're not even good.
Okay, hang on, I gotta sit up. This is my game. Why am I sucking? Get me up here. Okay, just walk in the grenade.
Dude, there's literally people hiding in freaking windows. That's how bad they are. And I'm about to die.
Oh, how that was so stupid. Well, it was stupid. It was kind of my fault. I kicked in mid-air and said shot. I think he was close enough.
I only got a kill.
You're a talented pilot. Show them what you've got.
Come on, at least get a kill! Oh my god.
Get wrecked, boy.
That kid's low, that kid's low, that kid's low. Nobody kills him.
killed me with a grenade! Aw, man, that ruined my kill streak.
You're getting a shit clap.
There's a map hat for everyone.
Taken out.
Oh wow,
Pilot
that was such a
assist!
good place.
Oh, that's why you stole my kill. Good.
No, I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Same. I got shot by 3 people.
I have to throw my kicks out.
Ah, they're all on me. Don't ever fight someone that has a high ground, dude. You're gonna lose every time.
People stay indoors, stay indoors, stay indoors. Where all of us at?
Yeah.
You're barely ahead of us. We can do this.
Get wrecked, boy. I got a grenade kill.
Most of us are just staying inside. Oh shit, I've been a detective.
Ah! I finally died.
No, I got hit. You should have seen that coming.
Just camp indoors.
Or just kill. I just saved somebody. I see people. I see people. Change.
I don't think that team knows who they're messing with.
Charge shaving. You're tired? Oh, dude, we can win this.
No. Come on. We just need one more kill.
I'm making a reset.
Nice work, everyone.
Let's go. I was about to die. Not even showing me.
Oh, someone saved my life.
Oh wait, we're supposed to leave? Oh wait.
No, we gotta make sure they don't leave.
Okay. I was so close. Waffles is almost dead. He's in the building. Oh, I can't even. Oh, I got spectator now. Switch to the solar thing. Switch to the solar thing. Oh, did people escape?
No one escaped. They all died. Let's go!
Let's do one more.
Alright.
Please be
Here, I'll
war.
just make it where it's just, war. What you like to call it?
War.
It's a better name than Team Deathmatch, I guess.
Damn it.
Boom Nuketown, let's go. I like this map.
Wait, is this war?
Yeah. The ATTRITION is the Titanfall 2 version of War slash
I
Team
actually want to play the first Titanfall because Titanfall 2 I've been playing the game a lot.
The first Titanfall, like, what do you mean, like the story mode or?
Whatever. Is there story mode for Titanfall 2?
There was a single player for Titanfall 2, but not one for Titanfall 1. That's the only reason why I asked.
Okay, pilots, let's get this job done.
So. Woo!
All to battle. How you died by a real person?
Shit. Look at the brightness. We're the first two that died. Not team. Yeah, get wrecked, boy. Ah! Boom, 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 boom. Oh! I kicked someone mid-air! Oh, that was awesome! Oh, the Spitfire's okay! Oh. Wait. Damn, this guy was waiting for me. Huh? Try that again. Whee! That's a gun. That's a play. That's a play. That's a play. That's a play, y'all, right there. Where the fuck did everyone go?
That's what I'm saying.
Titan's almost ready. Let's go.
Another guy.
Damn it! He was so weak! Get in my Titan!
You're not even supposed to be a Titan yet.
I got my Titan, yeah.
Wow, I got killed by shotgun. Oh shit, people already got the Titans.
Yep.
Alright, well, I gotta switch to no, not this one. This one, there you go. Oh my god, this is so OP with Titans.
Shit! Did I jump out?
You can still catch up.
No, I didn't jump out. Damn it! Died, right.
Oh
How
my
does that
god.
guy fly?
The Titan is 1 HP,
Titan
bro.
is ready, pilot. Standing by for your
I
call.
know he is. I got him so weak.
I got him weak, what do you mean?
I was fighting the Titan. In the Titan. See, he did that. Right, you fuck. Oh shit. That was hit. How did that almost kill me? I was nowhere near. Oh, that grenade almost killed him. Come on, pilot this. Thank you.
Nice job, pilot. Finish the job. ready. Call it any time, pilot.
Can you even see what gun I'm using?
No. You have to kill someone before. Shit. Why did no one grab the Titan? Woo!
Titan is ready.
He went out of his way to kill me? You faggot.
I should probably spawn in my Titan now.
Stand by for Titanfall.
Yeah?
Pilot control initiated. Welcome back.
Shit. Move! Hey, what's up?
I need help.
You act like I'm not dying! I died. I can spawn my Titan. You gotta survive on me, buddy.
I just got a much better Titan.
I suck at playing with the Titans on this game. On Titanfall 1, I do not.
That pilot stepped into
Damn
the
it,
wrong
someone stole my
ring.
kill.
Alright, well, I'm gonna have to do good with this charge then.
No. Where's this guy going? Of course, I can't see.
Of course I can't shoot. So.
You better. I self-destruct! Why did it not let me? Bruh. Good, we have more Titans.
Of course there was an actual person.
They're barely ahead of us. We can do this.
Shit. I don't know what's happening.
Of course, I didn't see that guy. There's all these kids that. Oh my god. Better help out.
Keep fighting, pilot. Your Titan's almost ready. Ready. Call it any time, pilot.
Hi, what's up? Watch out behind you! I got you! Aw, you died. Sorry.
Stand by for Titanfall.
How do you self-destruct?
It's good you returned safely.
How did I what?
How do you self-destruct?
You have to hit square 3 times. 1. I'm right behind you.
Alright, let's go find some people. Come on, this way. Oh wait, they're all this way.
Yeah?
Friendly pilot on the hull. Enemy pilot has ejected. Enemy Titan eliminated. Warning.
You got a kill. Nice.
Oh, that's the better Titan.
Yep.
Critical damage. Utilize tripwire. Friendly pilot is off the hull.
Shit, I'm... Fuck out of here.
Elevated threat condition.
Ah! Why is there so many of them?
And why do we got that big ass shield?
Cause he got a different version of Titan.
Pilot attacking the target.
Come on, let's get him.
Oh! I had to self-destruct.
Enemy Titan down. Eject
How do you-
immediately.
Did you self-destruct and escape?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can still
Oh my
catch
god,
Jesus
of course.
Christ. Jesus Christ.
What?
The Titans.
I know there's literally 2 of them. We gotta make a comeback right here, right now.
Oh
I think
my
that's
god,
right.
he punched me through the building? I died through the fucking building! They're all in Titan soul. We got it. We can't get in the buildings. Get in the buildings. They're all in Titans, besides 2 of them. Which means we're gonna not make it if we just kill the grunts and try not to die by Titans. They're all dying. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. There's only 2 now.
Oh my god, I'm...
one. But you fought well.
What the fuck?
Where we gotta go, where we gotta go, where we gotta go.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out. Just kill like 2 people. Let's go. The vlog. Of course, on the other side of the map.
Keep
Go.
fighting and you'll get your Titan.
Okay, so 2 of the people are dead. So that means we only got to worry about 4. Woo! Oh shit! I see something out there.
Oh, course. Oh my god. I'm mad
Okay,
low.
okay, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Where we gotta
Only
go?
2 people left. Do you not see on the map?
Stand by for
Ah!
Titan. Get to the evac ship.
Give me the Titan! I mean the ship! There we go, there we go, I'm in the ship.
Okay, where's the ship? Where's the ship?
Do you not see it on the map? We're
Oh,
left
shit.
without you. Well, either everyone was alive or we escaped. So that's good at least.
I don't know. I tried to escape. I was just too busy running away and wasn't even focused on the ship. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this Titanfall video with Andrew. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.
Peace.